Atongoria matiganite guku bururi-ini no mathiete na mbere na gucakaya mutongoria wa hau kabere mutigaire Mwai wa Kibaki kuria mathiete na mbere na kuririkana wega wake na utungata hari bururi hamwe na mogaruruku maingi ma bata maria bururi ungiganira umuthi. Spika wa bunge ya gĩbũrũri Justin Muturi ni agwetete Mwai wa Kibaki ta mutongoria wehothete hari gwaka bururi hamwe na kwambatiria muturire ya Akenya. Akiuga ati Kibaki oya wiyathi wa bururi ni athondekire watho wa gutuma mabengi makorwo magikinyira Akenya aria kirathi gia thi na njira ya kumahe ngombo cia raithi.
Very consummate, but very, very brilliant. That I can tell you. When he took over as president, we started seeing banks coming on the streets hawking their services. We need to go back to that kind of.
Muturi akiuga hari na maundu maingi muno atongoria mabati guthoma kuma kuri Mwai wa Kibaki na marongorerie gwaka bururi na guteithia Akenya nginyagia aria mari kirathi gia thi niguo kuiganania Akenya othe.
Trading with the lives of the majority of children through academies, we are hurting this country. I feel proud always to say I'm a product of public education. The same needs to happen to our healthcare delivery system. It should worry me that if I felt sick today, I cannot walk to a local dispensary because I know, first of all, there will be no medicine, possibly there will be no worker there.
Ningi Muturi no ongereire ati riria Mwai wa Kibaki oire wathani wa bururi ni arehire ugaruruku hari uria bajeti ya mwaka ya bururi yaharagiririo na akiambiriria gukuruhanagia abunge hari kumihariria undu uria wari wa mwanya.
Seek to raise, because government will raise money through taxation, but don't overtax. There are very many ways that you can think of. Kibaki did it. Kama namna gani? Si tuliona. So it's not rocket science. We are not reinventing the wheel. Hayo Kibaki aliweza kuyafanya na kuyatimiza, tuyaige.
Ngiribotera Kameme TV ni njitagwo Wangui wa Muturire.